welcome to Laura's Fundora. Today I'm going to show you how I made this Grinch outfit for my cute little baby. So first you're going to get about half a yard of green felt material and a baby outfit that fits pretty well with the baby that you have. And you're going to take the pattern off of this outfit. So I just laid it down on top of this green felt. This green fleece. And at the top part of the fold, that's where I'm going to have the hole for the hoodie part. And then I laid out the arms so that I cut across into the armpit area and then down. And I'm not going to make any of the leg parts. I'm just going to insert an elastic at the bottom and have it just be this cute elastic gather at the bottom of his feet. So I cut out the armpit area, and then to make it equal, I folded it in half and repeated that same design where the cutout of the armpit is. Okay, then I'm going to cut out the hood. And I just kind of laid the hood part over some more fabric. And I wanted to create the Grinch's pointed head. So I just created a point at the top of the hood part. Okay, then you're going to cut out a hole that is that width of the hood at the very top. So the fold area is going to be his shoulders area, and then the hole in the middle is where the hood's going to be sewn on. Okay, so now you're going to sew the parts. You're going to sew underneath the armpit area and down, and repeat on the other side. Then you're going to sew up and over like an L shape for the hood. But of course there's a pointy part, so it's more of like a J. So you're going to go up and then J down. Okay, then you're going to attach the hood to the hole and sew. Okay, now we're at the fitting stage. So you're going to put the baby into the outfit and make sure it is nice and cozy, but not too loose, not too tight. Okay, so now you're going to add the inserts for the elastic. So you're just going to fold in the sleeves area and fold the bottom area and fold the outside area of the hood wide enough to insert elastic. Leave an opening, then insert the elastic. And sew the elastic together and then sew the closing down. Okay, now you're ready for all the extra Grinch details. You're going to cut out strips and cut out kind of the hairy looking parts of Grinch. And you're going to hot glue it all down kind of in a V shape in the front. And I decided to add a cute little red heart. So it's not just a huge green blob sort of thing, and it kind of states this is the Grinch sort of thing. Okay, then you're going to hot glue on the hood a couple strips around the hood, and then at the very top where the point is, you're going to attach 2 more strips of kind of fur-like, frilled-like fur. Hot glue it to where you want it, and you're completely done. And that is how I made a baby Grinch costume. Hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.